All right, we are nearing the end of our Jabbed 15 renovation, and actually, I don't think I've disclosed this yet on social media, but the Jabbed 1815 project is actually my personal residence. It's a project that my family and I are in the middle of, or I'll say wrapping up, thankfully. But as we near the completion, we've got all of our trades, in here last minute helping us button up final details. Friends and family are coming through to look at it, and something we realize continues to come up for topic of discussion is the amount of natural light that we're getting in our home, and especially like on the back side of the home, which is really our main central hub, the heart of our home for the way our family lives. And it's where we took what was 3 individual rooms, a kitchen, a dining room, and a family room, and we essentially took the walls down, took the roof lines off, and did a nice continuous shed roof over these spaces, and combined them into one living space that better suited how our family lives in a home. We were trying to bring in as much natural light as we could. And our goal was to achieve this by using essentially windows in our wall systems, large sliding doors and fixed units. And as we got them installed and got dried in, we realized that we still were not getting the amount of natural light that we were really aiming to have for the experience we wanted in our home. And we realized we needed to incorporate skylights in the roof system in order to achieve this. My wife and I, we've had skylights before. We had this old kind of dome style that were really loud when it rains, or they get really hot in the summer, or they leak. And it wasn't something that we've really have tried incorporating into previous designs and homes we've lived in, just from our past experience. But realizing that this was the way to essentially achieve the natural light that we were looking to have, we dove right in. And we came across VELUX skylights, and they really had, I think they have such a vast product line available, for different applications, as well as the accessories we found, which really helped for a successful installation. And it really helped alleviate a lot of the concerns we had from our past experience with skylights. So we use VELUX skylights in this project. Could not be happier. What's fun is fast forward 7 months from when we used that product to where we are now. VELUX actually saw our install, and they reached out to kind of pick our brain and hear a little bit about our experience with their product. And through that, we've decided to kind of have the opportunity to collaborate and partner with VELUX to share our experience with you all, which we are really excited to do. So stay tuned. We have some really fun videos and content coming your way to really, I think, really display for us and my family how life-changing natural light can be in your home, and really how it's transformed this main central space in our home, which we're really excited about. Y'all, I love that I can wake up and not turn lights on from sunrise to sunset in this area of our home. I'll take natural light over artificial light any day of the week. Super excited about this. Stay tuned. We'll have more coming your way. See ya.